Welcome to Charles Educational World. In this session, we have to learn fractions. So, what is called fraction? Fraction is a part of whole number. So, the fraction is right in the form of P by Q. Here, P is called numerator and Q is called denominator. Example 6 by 7. Here 6 is called numerator and 7 is called denominator. So look at here in this 6 by 7, what is the meaning of 6 and what is the meaning of 7? Look at here, the denominator 7 is indicated the whole part, the total equal parts of the whole. And what is 6? The taken part from the whole parts. The taken parts. For example, here this is the whole part. In this we divided into how many equal parts should be equated in 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this whole part should be divided into 7 equal parts. So that's why we write 7 as a denominator. And what about 6? In these 7 equal parts, we took 6 parts only. So the numerator is indicated the taken part from the whole parts. The taken part of the whole parts. And here one part is left. That's why we indicate only 6 in the numerator and the total parts are right in denominator. This is the main meaning of a fraction. Take another example. So in this, take a circle. The circle is divided into 2 equal parts now. So the denominator should be right as 2 now, because here how many equal parts we separated, we divided the circle 2, 1 and 2. That's why we write 2 as a denominator. Now I shaded one part of a circle now. Now what is the shaded part of the given circle is, how many parts we shaded here? Only one. That's why the 1 is right as a numerator. So the value of shaded part is 1 by 2 now. Now unshaded part. So unshaded part. What about the unshaded part now? Here how many parts? Unshaded here 1. That's why the 1 is right as numerator and the total parts again always write as a denominator. So again the unshaded part is also equal to 1 by 2. Now the circle again divided into 4 equal parts now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the denominator is right as 4 now, because how many equal parts now? 1, 2, 3, 4 now. That's why we write as 4 as a denominator. Now shaded parts are 1 and 2. So that's why the shaded part of given the circle is equal to 2 by 4 now. Now unshaded part is also equal to 2 by 4. Why? Here how many unshaded parts here? 2. Right as numerator, and total parts again 4, because here 4 equal parts. Now the given circle is divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 now. So if you want to write the shaded part of a given fraction, what is total parts? 8. Write as denominator and simply count the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 now. And unshaded parts are, again it is equal to 4 by 8. Now take, I am going to shade one more part with shade. Now count how many shade parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why the value of picture this picture is 5 by 8. Why? Because how many shade parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So write as numerator, right? 5 as the numerator and total parts is 8. That's why the value of shaded part is 5 by 8 and unshaded part is 3 by 8. Why? Here unshaded parts are 1, 2, 3. That's why 3 write as the numerator and total parts are 8 or write as denominator. Thank you.